Welcome to Level Bash Tutorials. Let me show you how to use our tools. Search for Cooking Diary on our website. Scroll down and tap the button on the bottom of the page. Now search for Game Injector tool. Submit your username from Google Games or App Center. Now you need to verify injection by completing promotional offers. Choose one from the list and read the instructions on how to finish it successfully. Let me show you how it's done. When you are done with offers, restart Cooking Diary and wait for Rubies to load up on your account. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.